2004 Pontiac Grand Am GT with the V6 3400 engine, 34,000th engine. Anyway, this is the before pick, driver's side, before carpet, before I clean it with the carpet, and passenger side. This is the after of carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning. Yeah. See if I can get a better shot here. And here's after as well. Yeah. On both sides, back of the seats. I tell you, a little bit of elbow grease goes a long way. Clean upholstery on a car. And it's all using this here Hoover vacuum here. This Hoover carpet vac. It's called a Steam Vac Spin Scrubber. So it's really pretty cool. And here's the car proper itself. I'm gonna have to wash, detail it, and do all that good stuff to make it look real pretty. Other than that, I'll shoot a final vid when done. Y'all have a good day now.